Abonga ukuthi ngiphefumula kanjani ngithi. And I'm sure you understand why, right? Bandaba uzositshela nani I'm sure nifuna ukwazi ukuthi why ngiphefumula kangaka. Please introduce yourself to our viewers wethu egama lakho nesibongo sakho and the team that you were playing for today.
Igama lami uSindile Mona, dlala eFosloras, ngidlalela iDream FC.
Okay. So tell us about journey yakho yebhola. When did you start playing football? And shortly nje ubale nama teams oke wawadlalela.
Yo, okay, ngikhule ngadlala eKasi at Vosloorus for under 13. Then I went to Elspark GDL. Yeah, then ngadlala eMsinga APC KZN. Saya kuma playoff azange siphumelele. Okay, sharp. Manje team engidlala iPhezulu FC yaseMpumalanga.
So what motivates you to play football?
Amakhotman wami azange believele ebholweni yabo. What decide ukuleka ngathi mina ngcono ngiqhubekise. Yeah.
So manje sesiya kule ndaba le ngiphefumulisa kakhulu manje. Kenzakaleni lapha ya? Singixoxele kahle like shortly yabo. Mjida vele bayadlala bamgaya ibhola 1-on-1 vele. Ayinja yami yathi ngikhetha ukuyale. Yenzakaleni?
Ngasho ukuthi akukho easy ukudlala neteam inama-fans amaningi because la bebazele yona bebacabanga ukuzoyina yona and banama good players so ngile ngathuka kancane yabo plus bokuyi first 10 minutes so ibanda pressure neground aliko sharply bumpy winter ne yeah so yeah but into engitshele yona ukuthi i-team njobe ikhethile kungiqalisa shothi yabelievela kimi so bekumele ngipush and bengibona ukuthi amarazo ngidlala namakhotman ngintwana amakhotman ayabelievela kimi yimi kumele ngibayenzele iplan ezi-attacker so bekumele ngiphula up igame yami bengana choice.
So when I EP player that you looking up to and why?
Ole kamilithi Iniesta mangikhula bengidlala as a midfield, attacking midfield. So manje ngiyabona ukuthi hey too much busy lapha phakathi yabo. So ngathi because ngine skill, ngine speed but decide ukungiconvert abangidlala isiwinga. Yeah, iplayer bengilithanda la eSouth Africa isibonga Nzungu. Yeah, dlala amaZulu. I don't know. Yeah, sadlala amaZulu. Yeah, Ben 10. Yeah.
So now you Ben 10 kahle kahle singakubiza kanjani?
Yeah.
Sharp. Okay, so what motivation can you give to umfana omncane naye ofuna ukukhula ahambe le ndlela oyihambayo which is playing football?
Yeah, ungasabi, just believe in yourself because Mawuza kula makhotman nawo azathukile because Mawuza nawe uyabonisa ukuthi ulambile ufuna spotlight nawe ufuna ukuzenzela igama. So yeah, just believe in yourself, keep on pushing. Nathi sifunda kuwa makhotman. So lokho sisaba ukudlala nawo but siyabona ukuthi ayikho into enzima phakathi masise groundini siyalingana so just believe in yourself. Yeah.
All right. So you did mention ukuthi ube nokuthuka kancane ngale incident le yenzeka lapha. So it was caused by pressure, right, from the fans. So how would you say like on a normal day modlala football, how would you say pressure you handle kanjani?
Pressure mele uyithole from okay thinkalela ama teammate wakho mela encourage mela ngakungaleli kula uzophuma khona pressure moyenza kabi akukhuthaze yeah kulapho uphuma khona pressure because ile ndaba yenzile amakhotman wathi intwana keep on pushing khohla into edlulile yeah nami ngakhona ukuthi ngibuye plus ngibonile ukuthi nalomuntu beyangimakele right back yeah.
Okay, no, word of the day before we close it off.
Word of the day, just believe in yourself. Mina yinto engikholelwa kuyo le because akekho umuntu okufisela okuhle and inkinga zakho yi-one enkingeni so uwemele uziphushe again babheke wena if simo sakini siyabheda umele ukhuphula isimo sakini. That's it.
No, thank you so much for your cut sakho ne.
Thank you. My man of the match. I'm not the man of the match.
This is the man of the match. How do you feel, man of the match?
Yeah, I'm feeling sharp. Yeah, thank you.
Sharp.